Hey guys, so Xiaomi is planning to launch the Mi 10T series globally very soon. We have already seen first live image of the handset itself, and now here's your first look at the official press renders of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, which will be top end variant of the Mi 10T series. Starting with the triple camera on the back, we are getting Samsung's 108 megapixel main shooter with OIS. There is also a dedicated autofocus sensor, which is a good thing because we already know that this sensor has some issues with autofocus in the past. Second lens will be 8 megapixel telephoto camera with OIS, and last 20 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor. Back of the phone will be made up of Gorilla Glass 5 with metal frame, so the build quality seems quite good. Now on the front side, there's a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and I have to say that this punch hole cutout for the selfie camera is very tiny. The bezels are also looks good on the device. Talking about the screen, phone will have a Full HD Plus display with 144Hz refresh rate, but I'm not sure whether it will come with AMOLED panel or LCD panel. Some leaks suggest OLED panel and some leaks suggest LCD. Under the hood, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 flagship CPU will be there for the performance along with 5G connectivity. 5000 mAh battery will power up the phone with 33 watt of fast charging and a Type-C port. Now here comes the leaked pricing of the device. So the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro's base variant 8GB/128GB will cost around 650 euros for the European market, and we all know that European prices are always high as compared to the rest. But as of now, it is advisable to take this price with a pinch of salt. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts about this Mi 10T Pro, and if you end up liking this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.